Wow. You really need a shave. See what I did there? Whoa. Interesting.
A tsunami warning is now in effect for the San Diego County coast until further notice, per the National Weather Service. Immediate action is needed if along the coast, at 9:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time on March 29th an earthquake with preliminary magnitude 8.9 occurred 225 miles north of Honolulu, Hawaii. Estimated tsunami start times for selected sites are, Oceanside, California by 3:05 a.m. PDT, March 30th, La Jolla, California by 3:05 a.m. PDT, March 30th, San Diego, California by 3:05 a.m. PDT, March 30th, Coronado Island, California by 3:05 a.m. PDT, March 30th. Refer to the internet site wcatwc.arh.noaa.gov for more information.
Can't let you leave. I think you're still suicidal.
I wasn't trying to off myself.
No, that's right. You were just trying to kill the wall. I checked this box. Your next roommates are going to be Jesus and Crazy McLooney Bin.
The National Weather Service has issued a tsunami warning. Repeat, the National Weather Service has issued a tsunami warning, which includes the coastal areas of California from the California-Mexico border to San Simeon, California. A large earthquake with a preliminary magnitude of 8.9 was detected 225 miles north of Honolulu, Hawaii at around 9:45 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. A tsunami has been generated and is expected to impact the coast of southern and central California. Tsunamis are a series of waves that are dangerous many hours after their initial arrival time. The first wave may not be the largest or the highest in the series. Estimated tsunami start times for selected sites are as follows on March 30th, 2013. San Simeon, California by 2:50 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Santa Barbara and Malibu, California by 3 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. Long Beach, Newport Beach, Catalina Island, and Oceanside by 3:05 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. And La Jolla, San Diego, and Coronado Island, California by 3:15 a.m. Pacific Daylight Time. If you are located in these coastal areas, move inland to higher ground and follow instructions from emergency personnel. Evacuate harbors, marinas, and other locations that may be unsafe from tsunami waves. Do not go to the coast to watch the tsunami. The National Weather Service will continue to monitor the situation and will provide updates every hour or as conditions warrant. Refer to the internet site tsunami.gov for additional information and for more select tsunami start times.